gorgeous people. This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I have my January Ipsy Glam Bag. Everybody pretty much knows what Ipsy is all about, but I will have a link in the description box below for those of you that want to check it out. Without further ado, let's see what I got in my January Glam Bag. Okay, guys, so woo! Here's my bag. Let's see here. There is something outside the bag this time. Make sure there's nothing else. There is not. Ooh, the bag is super cute, guys. Check it out. Loving all the pastel-y colors. This would make a great eye look, right? I am digging the bag. Okay, so there was something outside the bag. Looks like we have a Let Me Skin, I think is the brand. And it's called an Ultra H2O Brightening Mask and an Ultra H2O Hydrating Mask. So here's your hydrating mask on this side, and then I will turn it to the other side here, and you have your brightening mask. So I have been using more sheet masks than usual because I am making a very conscious effort to use all of the products that I already have, and I'm not buying anything additional. So if that means improvising so that I can use a product, that's exactly what I'm doing. Like in those little contour sets, the dark part that most people use to contour their face, I'm using it as a powder. It seems to work pretty well. I don't think anybody can tell the difference. I'm just saying. All right. So let's open up the little bag here. Here's a little sneak peek. Can't really see anything, but you know, whatever. Let's see if they have any information on the card this time, or if it's just a card. Oh, yay, we have the information. So let's go ahead and read up on those masks. Okay, so that is a full-size product, and the value for the mask is $6 per mask. So they gave us 2 masks. So the total value of both of those masks is $12. A little crazy. I mean, I'm happy to give them a try, but do I think I'll buy them again? Yeah, probably not. All right, so this next thing that I just now grabbed out of here is Say Hi to Hydration Hyaluronic Acid Hydrating Serum by Grace and Stella. Okay, guys, I am not a big fan. Ooh, can you guys see that? I am not a big fan of serums. However, I am a huge fan of this Grace and Stella brand, and the hyaluronic acid is something that I can use because it is helping to prevent my acne breakouts. So, I don't know, let's see. I'm sure that this is a deluxe sample at 10 milliliters or 0.34 fluid ounces. So, the full-size version of this product is $35 for 50 milliliters. That's what I like about their products, guys. I think that is a reasonable price for this type of serum. So, if I like it, I will definitely buy it again. Okay, what else do we have in here, guys? All right, let's go get a mascara. You know what? I think I actually got to choose this time, and I think I chose the mascara. I could be wrong. I don't remember. Anyways, it's Extra Sculpt Volume Mascara. I'm assuming it's black. I'm not going to like open it, but I don't know. Can I even do it so you guys can see it? Yeah, here it is. I don't know what you guys are going to see because all I see right now is some glare. So when I zoom in on it, hopefully you guys can see what it is. Obviously, this is a deluxe sample, and the full-size version of the product is 8 milliliters for $14. Wonder if it tells me how many oh yeah, I get 3.2 milliliters or 0.11 ounces in this little container. That's cool. I like having mascaras because the only one that I found that I like so far is the Ica mascara. That is my absolute favorite, but I have so many other brands that I need to try that I got in these boxes. And again, I'm making a conscious effort to use everything that I already have and not buy anything else. So that's the only reason why I haven't bought it yet, because I have all these other ones I need to use. Okay, so next in here I have the Pore Professional Light Primer. Okay, but it says light. Does that mean it's a light color primer? I don't know. I use primers all the time. I don't know if I will like this one or not. It depends, because obviously I'm a darker complected person, and it has the word light on there, so that kind of scares me, but I don't know. We'll see. Ipsy's been pretty good about matching my complexion, so I think they actually do pay attention to my little survey thing that I took at the beginning of this, because every time they send me a foundation or anything along those lines, it is on point every single time. Okay, so this is a deluxe sample at 3 milliliters or 0.1 fluid ounces, and the full-size version of this product is $32 for 22 milliliters. I don't know. Maybe that's good. Maybe that's not good. I mean, we'll see. I'll definitely try it and see how it goes. And the last thing in here, oh, I have this. The Purelisse Ageless Glow Serum BB Cream. I actually use this one literally all the time. I got it in one of my BoxyCharms as a full-size thing, and I loved it. So then I ended up trying to find it at a cheaper price, and I found it on Poshmark. And I got a really good deal, and I think it was like $10 or something like that. So I was super excited about that because it was the right color. Medium tan. I think that's the right color. Or did I get tan deep? I don't remember, but here it is. I'm sorry, I didn't even show it to you guys. This is what it is. And I do really like this stuff, and I do use it every single day. However, when I'm through what I'm working on, I was up late at night, and I saw that infomercial. I think it's called Illuminous or something like that, where they have the airbrush makeup. So I'm going to give that a try. Hopefully I like it. If I don't like it, I will return it. It's that simple. You get a 30-day tryout period, and if it's not something that I think I will like, then I will send it back. If it is, then, you know, obviously I'll keep it, and then I'll have a lot of this kind of stuff that, what the heck am I going to do with it? I don't know. Anyways, that is obviously a deluxe sample for sure. It's 0.24 fluid ounces or 7 milliliters, and the full-size version is 40 milliliters for $38. I didn't want to pay $38 for it. Obviously, when I wanted to buy it again, I went and searched it on Poshmark. I'm just saying. Guys, I love this. This is actually a really good bag. I'm never disappointed with my Ipsy Glam Bag or my BoxyCharm. And again, I will have a link for the Ipsy Glam Bag in the description box below. That's all I got for you guys in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! And in today's video, I have my January Ipsy Glam Bag. Everybody pretty much knows what's it. What? Try again.